Hey everyone, I had a request for a closer look at the application of the Better Boxed Bottoms technique for getting a squared up corner on your zipper pouch. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you today so you can see how to go from this type of base on your bag where it bows out a little and doesn't sit quite flat to the perfectly squared up 180 degrees base on your bag patterns. So let's get going. If you're familiar with the Better Boxed Bottoms tutorial, you'll recognize that if you have your side seam here, you need to have a 90-degree angle at this bottom corner here so that when you sit your bag on its base, it will sit flat. But how do you actually trim that up? I do demonstrate it in the long form video, but I'm going to show you a little bit closer up. When I trim my corner, I like to use a quilting square, but you can use any ruler that has a straight edge with a 90-degree angle. And all you need to do is go to the side of your bag, the side that will be the straight side seam, and line up your ruler so that the flat edge of your ruler lines up with that side seam of your bag. And then I've got the other edge of my ruler meeting up with this inside corner here, and then this is the part that we're going to be cutting off. So we have a 90-degree angle right here in the corner. So you can trim that off with scissors or with a rotary cutter. I'll show you both ways. So double checking the measurement, you're going from this inside corner and you're going straight up to the outside edge, and you want this corner to be 90 degrees. So that is where I place the corner of my ruler, and then I have a straight line from the inside corner of my boxed cutout, and I'm going to cut straight down there. So that corner there is corrected. Just trim that a little bit closer to that line. So now you can see I have a 90-degree angle at this corner and at this corner. When I box it up, it will sit nice and flat, and that will contribute to the flat base of my bag. If you want to do it with a rotary cutter, you're going to do it the same way. Take your ruler or your quilting square, line it up so that the side seam of the bag is flush with the edge of your ruler. You're going from the inside corner straight out to the side of that pattern piece. And if you're going to use a rotary cutter, you're just going to cut directly next to that ruler. And I usually trim the last little bit so I don't cut into the main part of my bag. And then on this side, when you go to box that up, you'll see that you have a nice flat side compared to the uncorrected side. When you line that up, you can try to line it up still like this, but you can see that it doesn't want to sit nice and flat, or you're going to take your bottom seam across to your side to line it up, and then you have the overhang. So that overhang is the piece that you're trimming off. And the main consideration is that when you're squaring it up, you have the flat edge of your ruler lined up with the outside edge of your pattern piece, and you're creating a 90-degree angle at this corner. So you know this is a 90-degree angle because your ruler is 90 degrees, and to be flat on a surface, it has to equal 180 degrees. So a 90-degree angle here plus the 90-degree angle on this side is going to add up to be 180 degrees. And if you haven't already seen the Better Boxed Bottoms video, I will make sure that that is linked for you. That's what you would be cutting off. You're going to line up your side seams. You're going to sew straight down here. And then when you open it out to box your corner, you have the straight edge there, which is the corner of your bag. You can see by comparison where we have trimmed one side and not the other side. And this flat side is what will allow it to sit nice and flat on your surface. Hope it helps. Thanks, everyone.